What a gorgeous ass day. Absolutely perfect for working on the drift Camaro. So let's make some good progress today. I got a bunch of things that I got to get done. And hopefully something that isn't just maintenance and is a bit more aesthetics kind of things. But gotta go pick up some parts and we'll see you down at the shop. Let's get into it. All right, so we are down at the shop. I basically just had to do a bunch of running around, pick up a bunch of supplies and stuff, and then did some back-end computer work to make sure that this day is going to work. How dirty is that lens? Oh, it's a real dirty lens. 1 second, let's clean this lens. Yeah, there we go, that's much better. So yeah, let's give you a little fill-in on what we're going to do today. Something that I'm working on right now, or have been for the last little bit, a little bit more fun. So, I cut these first tests out of cardboard, and essentially if you've watched any form of racing, they always have crazy amounts of canards and stuff, or aero, for aerodynamics, and be able to create a bunch of downforce. Or, in drift cars, you see a bunch of extra canards just because it looks freaking badass. So messing around to try to make my own acrylic canards, similar to what the company Airwolf does. Basically, I saw those, and I'm like, wait, I have a laser engraver, and I could totally do that. So I drew some up on cardboard, mocked them up on the car. It looks pretty decent, and then transferred them over into vector form. So we're going to basically test cut those vector forms out of some thin cardboard and see how the file looks. And then once we go from there, I got some pretty sweet like neon red pink acrylic. So that should be pretty sick. So yeah, let's hop in some lasering and then we'll get on to some maintenance things. So basically all I have to do now is add some mounting holes and probably do a little slot because then it has some form of movement. And yeah, go from there. Okay, well I surprisingly haven't cut a lot of cardboard or even cardstock with my laser, so I found some settings online. Let's give them a try. Okay. First cut I screwed up and I had the page size set to something different, so it was printing on what I thought was a regular size piece of paper. Nonsense. Let's laser again. I just got way too excited. I just did the first little tiny test cut on this acrylic, make sure my settings were right, and it all looks good. So I made the adjustments to the files. I think let's cut some canards. Quack. Okay, so now that I got these cut out, it's time to get a little bend action going. So I basically got this set up over here, and I'm gonna basically just hit that with a heat gun until I can manipulate it a bit. Took a little bit of frigging around to figure out exactly what to do, but that seemed to work pretty damn good. So let's unclamp this and take a look. That's gonna be sick. All right, well, for this being the first one, I'm pretty stoked. Learned a bunch already. Let's peel this paper off and take a look at this thing, because I want to see the real color of this. Oh, well, perfect timing. Homie just showed up. Oh. This guy. This car's got a little change since we last saw it. White wheels.
Special delivery.
What up, friend?
What up, man?
Are those DE37? Oh. Oh,
okay. Oh my god.
no.
Stupid shit.
Oh.
So like, I was like, that's not getting in. So I was like, okay.
That's tight. Thanks, man.
Dude, like not even a blemish. There's nothing. I guess that's what you get when you buy American made, right?
Yeah, I guess so, right? Fucking America. Just like where we make it.
They know how to clean their molds.
We make 3 million of them. So fucking sick. 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 Huge shout out to the homie Brett for picking up that Fender. Fucking stoked. And shit. First one turned out pretty damn awesome. So let's get the others bent and we'll get these things installed. So rad. Different colored no matter what light you're in. My goodness, what a productive day so far. I got the first set complete. I only broke one, and through doing so I found the weak point and how I want to actually, you know, finalize the design, make it work better for the long run. So I'm gonna go run get some self-tapping screws, install these things, and I'll get to all the other stuff tomorrow, I guess. So I want to get these installed. That's better. Okay, so I got the car all washed up and got the Canards installed on the car, and I'm pretty damn happy. I know what tweaks I got to make for the long run, for the final production runs, and even what I would do for my own personal ones, just because my car's a bit fucky. Big old dumb things. But yeah, take a look at how these look. So yeah, for the final production runs, I basically got to make the mounting tabs a bit longer and reinforce one little spot on the bottom. I think that should be it. So we should have these available pretty damn soon. Alright, so it's actually a couple weeks later. I completely forgot to shoot an ending to that vlog. So, super stoked that you actually made it this far if you did. And yeah, I've got some really exciting things coming up. I'm trying to get caught up on all these edits because I've got a few more vlogs on deck that I haven't quite edited yet. Just as I've been extremely busy working towards some other stuff. But these next few vlogs, I'm doing some really rad stuff to the Camaro, and I'm getting ready to go over to the island. Some really awesome vlogs coming soon. And I just went and got my passport today, so some new trips coming soon, and some more vlogs. So, and also I just released the first episode of Bigfoot Testing, which is a new series that I'm starting. So if you haven't checked that out, go check that shit out. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog, which will be very damn soon. So make sure to check that out, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Peace.